Hello guys and welcome to my tutorial on engineering graphics. In this tutorial we'll be learning how to construct a helix. So basically what a helix is, I'll read out the formal definition, that is one that is given in textbooks. It's defined as a curve generated by a point moving around a surface of right circular cylinder such that its axial advancement is uniform with its movement around the surface of cylinder is called a cylindrical helix. So I think you might have not got any point. I'll explain it in simple words. So imagine you have a cylindrical object and you're viewing right in front of you in such a way that the curved surface, that is the cylindrical portion, is not visible to you, but you can just see the circular part. That is that you're seeing the cylinder from the top. So basically you're seeing the top view, which will be only a circle, like I have drawn here the circle. And if you consider a point on the circumference at the bottom of the cylinder, and if it moves uh, in along the circumference of the cylinder, but not only circumference, it also moves ahead, that is it also travels along the axis. So basically the curve that we get, if we imagine the path that is followed by the point, is called a helix. So we'll be learning how to construct a helix. So first of all, the question is something like this. We have to draw a helix of pitch equal to 50 mm on a cylinder of 60 millimeter diameter. So basically first you have to draw top view of the cylinder, that is this, it will be a circle of radius 30 mm and diameter 60, and this is the front view. In this, the axis height of the cylinder is 50 mm because the pitch of the helix is 50 mm. So basically the point is traveling one rotation around the cylinder. That is why the height of the axis will be equal to the pitch, that is 50 mm. That is this height equal to 50 mm, and this is the diameter. So this is the front view and this is the top view. So the next step will be taking the projections. But before that we need to divide the circle into all equal parts. So basically if you have seen my tutorial on construction of cycloid, in that I have shown you how to divide circle into all equal parts. So basically I will be following the same procedure to divide the circle into equal parts, that is constructing a circle at the four endpoints of equal radius, that is this. The next will be at this point. So yeah, this is the point. Diameter will be 30, diameter will be 60, radius will be 30. Again we need to draw a circle at this point, one more circle at this point. So I will be joining the endpoints, that is not the endpoints but the center with the point where the other circle intersect with this main circle, that is the circle that we drew first, the top view of the cylinder. So after dividing the circle into two equal parts, the circular portion will be something like this. Then we have to take the projection of each part. So I'll be taking projections in red color so that you could just make out a difference on this. On the front view of the cylinder, so just drawing straight lines of all the 12 points. Basically it will be of just 6 points because two of every 12 points line the same straight line. So this is the second last point. So we have divided the circle into 12 equal parts, and one more step that we need to add, that is dividing the front view of the cylinder in 12 equal parts. So both of them will be having same equal parts, same number of equal parts to be divided, that is this. We have divided, and we have divided this front view of the cylinder by using the offset command, moving this line at a distance of 4.16, that is equal to uh, mm, the total length divided by 12, that is 50 by 12 is 4.16, 4.17 approximately. So it comes out to be same. That's not a point. And after this we just, I'll zoom in a bit so that you could just get an idea what points we need to join. So basically I'll zoom a bit more. I'll be changing the color of the helix, that is the final drawing that we will be drawing. I'll use the same command, that is polyline, to draw. We have to just draw the intersection of red line with the white line, that is first red line with the first white line, second red line with the second white line, third red line with the third white line, and so on. So we'll be intersecting, we'll be joining this point, then this, the next red line with the corresponding white line, this. There's no need of doing it again. You can just use the mirror command. I'm just using so that I could not get wrong. So this is what a helix looks like. I'll just, oh oops, I just removed. Oh, I'll draw it again so that I'll zoom out a bit and then show you guys exactly how helix look like. I would have better using the mirror command to get this done quickly, but it's almost done. Yeah, so I'll zoom out and remove this red lines, that is the projections that I use to divide the circle and rectangle, and also this white lines. So the construction of helix is very simple, it's not that difficult, as in, so this is it guys, what it looks. This is the shape of the helix. You need to draw the second part, that is the later part, in using hidden lines, because it's the other side of the cylinder. I've just drawn to show you. You can just double click on this line and change the properties, that is the line type or something like that if you want. uh, so this type of questions come for 10 marks in exams, which are very scoring. And thank you guys, thank you for watching my tutorial. This is it. Now next tutorial we'll be compiling a bit of problems on curves, that is cycloid, helix, and involute. So thank you guys, thank you for watching my tutorial, and bye bye.